Hello, in this video we will go over how to install Examplify on your computer. This process will be shown on a Windows computer, but the process is quite similar for a Mac. To begin, click the link provided by your instructor that should lead you to this page. Click on the installer appropriate to your operating system, and let the installer file download to your computer. Once the installer finishes downloading, run it. Click Install. On a Mac, you may have to double-click on the icon that looks like this check mark. It may take a few minutes for the software to fully install. Examplify will then ask you to reboot your computer, and you should click Yes. When your computer boots back up, the installation process should continue as you see here. Once this screen appears, click Next, accept the terms, and then click Next again. Click Install, and more processes will run. Eventually, the Examplify icon will show up on your desktop, and if you double-click on it, the software will launch. You'll need to scroll through the license agreement and click I agree, and then you will need to search for UMass Dartmouth on the list. The easiest way is to just search for the word Dartmouth, then click University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth College of Nursing. Click Next, and then your web browser will open and ask you to log in with your UMass credentials. If it doesn't, click the Launch button. On the page that comes up, log in with your UMass Dartmouth credentials, and then a screen like this will come up saying that you have successfully logged in. You can close your browser, and the ExamSoft window should refresh. Once your instructor has made an exam available to you, it will show up here with the button to download it. You should make sure you download your exams before an exam day at home or somewhere else on campus before you show up in the classroom. If you have any trouble with this process, reach out to us. Somewhere around this video is likely the contact information for ExamSoft. If not, the phone number will appear on the screen right now.